All right, Renee Ortiz. Court is calling 2025 CR 009912 State versus Renee Ortiz. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Alvin for the state.
Stephen Harkowitz for Renee Ortiz.
And are you Renee Ortiz?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ortiz, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with harassment of a public servant. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in, the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ortiz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into this plea, you can be deported, not allowed re-entry, and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. This is run concurrently with 2023 CR 3223. State will take in consideration 2025 CC 008137. There's to be restitution to VIA of $576.56. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it
Yes, Your Honor.
in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentence?
Guilty on the new charge, 4 years in prison. But there's another case waiting, the probation violation from 2023. And that's where this courtroom is about to get uncomfortable, because the judge has one question no one's answered yet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I would just ask the court to follow the recommendation of the state of 4 years and that Mr. Ortiz be granted all his back time.
Okay. All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money. will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 3223. Court will take in consideration 2025 CC 008137. There's to be restitution to VIA for $576.56. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to proceed with 2023 CR 3223. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Renee Ortiz who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 3223 for the offense of harassment of a public servant on May 30th, 2023 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
We're going to proceed on the second, number one, Your Honor. On or about the 22nd day of May, 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Renee Loera Ortiz committed the offense of harassment of a public servant in violation of condition number one.
Yes,
How
Your
do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're in agreement to find the MTR true, revoke his probation and sentence him to 4 years TDC and run it concurrent with the previously sentenced case.
All right. Any objections to the court reviewing the previous stipulation under this cause number?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to find violation of condition number one true. What has he done on probation? Has he completed anything?
No.
Looks like he did DDRF, but he did not complete it, and same thing with safety.
All right, so here's the question for the court. Why does he keep spitting on people? Because the case that he just pled to, he spat on someone. The case that he's on probation on, he spat on someone. So why is he doing this?
Your Honor. Is there anything you want to tell the judge?
You want to raise your right hand? Do
Uh,
you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
He's under oath now, and Judge Boyd isn't looking for excuses. She's looking for accountability. 2 separate incidents, 2 public servants, the same behavior. And in a moment, she's going to ask the question that will define this entire hearing.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Renee Ortiz.
All right, you can lower your hand. Why do you keep spitting on people?
Your Honor, I didn't do it, Your Honor.
No, here's the thing. You're on probation. And what you're on probation for is spitting on someone. The I didn't do it. This is not where you are. This is not the phase of this proceeding because you've been on probation in this case since 2023.
I'm not gonna do it anymore, Your Honor. I'm gonna control my temper.
All right, the court is finding violation of condition number one true. Probation, has he done anything?
Or that, I mean, but the aftercare was not succeed. Other than that, judge, not much progress.
All right, the court is finding you guilty. The court is going to revoke. The court will give you credit for any time served, credit for any time served in successful inpatient treatment. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison. There's to be no contact with the following: Taco Cabana, Whataburger, Bank of America, HEB. And this will run concurrent with 2025 CR 00912. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes,
All right, so you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And I'll request the therapeutic community. All right, good luck to you.
Your Honor is not willing to sentence him to 4 years on this particular case, Your Honor.
No, you aren't. No, I'm sorry. All right, thank you.
8 years, Your Honor, is what I got, 8 years?
Mhm.
You're gonna get credit for all your time.
Renee Ortiz received 8 years in prison, double what the state recommended. Judge Boyd didn't just see 2 cases, she saw a pattern. And when someone can't control their behavior on probation, the system responds. No contact orders, therapeutic community recommended, and a clear message. Probation is a privilege, not a reset button. If this breakdown gave you insight into how probation violations are handled, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.